What's up, everybody? You are listening to the Think Big podcast. I'm your host, Ayelet Polonsky, also known as your manifestation mentor. This podcast is designed to help you create a manifestation mindset by learning how to think big. You'll learn to use your thoughts to co-create your reality. Let's get into today's episode. Many of my single clients who end up engaged and married become experts at a process I call my secret sauce to manifesting. Part of this secret sauce involves feeling viscerally in your body what it feels like to already have your desired outcome be yours. Even if they're still single and yearning for their soulmate, the key is to feel it in their body, to feel what it's like to have your soulmate already be in your life. And this key can apply to anything, not just life partners. You want to dream home, feel what it's like for it to already be yours. You want to heal your body from a physical condition. Feel what it's like to have a healthy, fully functioning body. You want a dream job or to start your own career. Feel what it's like to be working in your desired position as though it's already present for you in your life today. This is one crucial part to drawing what it is you want towards you. In Kabbalah, this process is called Koach HaMoshech, or in other words, translated to the power that pulls things towards you, modernly coined as the law of attraction. What's more powerful than just feeling what it's like to already have what you want is living from a state of gratitude as though you already have it, even if it hasn't arrived yet. Quantum physics teaches that the mind is so powerful that even by thinking about a certain reality, you are programming the possibility of that manifestation into the universe. And therefore, that reality exists somewhere in the quantum field. Whether you focus on the lack or focus on the possibility of what you want, you are writing a chapter in the universal book of manifestation. That chapter inevitably must manifest in some way. That's just the way God's universe works. The more you focus on what you want from a place of gratitude for already having it, the more engraved that desire becomes in this quantum field, therefore causing a stronger pull for the desire to enter into the physical realm that you live in. Dr. Joe Dispenza calls this giving thanks before receiving an outcome. More often than not, we experience the emotion of gratitude for things that we already have in our lives, right? Your dad buys you a new car, you feel grateful. Your friend surprises you with the birthday party, you feel grateful. A stranger pays you a compliment, you feel grateful. But how often do we tap into that feeling of gratitude for the things that we want but don't already have? Can you say thank you for the husband you haven't met yet? Can you say thank you for getting into your dream college before the acceptance letter arrives? As Dispenza shares, we've been conditioned into believing that we need a reason for joy, a motivation to feel gratitude, grounds to be in a state of love. This is relying on an external reality to make us feel different internally. The new mode of reality challenges us to change something within us before we can experience the physical evidence with our senses. In other words, we are meant to change the way we think and the way we feel if we want to start playing an active role in co-creating our reality. Can you give thanks and feel the elevated emotions associated with the desired event before it occurs? Can you imagine that reality so completely that you begin to be in that future life now? If you can give thanks for something that exists as a potential but has not yet happened in your reality, you are moving from cause and effect. In other words, waiting for something outside of you to make a change inside of you, to shifting to causing an effect, or changing something inside of you to produce an effect outside of you, which is ultimately what we want. When you are in a state of gratitude, you transmit a signal to the universe that says an event has already occurred. In Psalm 13, we see very clearly that King David is in distress over being pursued by his tormentors. He cries out to God, saying, "How long will you forget about me for? How long will you continue to hide from me in my suffering?" He then quickly shifts gears and enters into the state of gratitude that we've been speaking about. Even though he is still in a state of distress and his current reality is one of suffering, he declares to God, "In your kindness I trust, and I will sing to you, for you have dealt with me kindly." Here, King David is tapping into a state of gratitude for a future event of being kindly dealt with, therefore drawing that outcome to him. So, I challenge you to think of something you desire but don't already have. Close your eyes and feel gratitude for it. Really feel it deeply and intensely in your body as though it's already yours. Say thank you for it. And in this way, you can receive it. If you enjoyed this episode and would like more manifestation inspiration, tune in every Monday for a new episode. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on an episode. What you get out of this show means the world to me, so I invite you to leave an honest review. And if you want more, you can follow me on social media at Ayelet Polonsky. And if you want to learn how to manifest a life you love, head on over to ayeletpolonsky.com to check out the courses that I offer. See you next week. And as always, think big and happy manifesting.